Hi, welcome to our web design video blog. This week we're going to be looking at a question that we get asked quite a lot. We have a lot of emails and letters sent to our HR department asking essentially how do you become a web designer. So today we're going to give some advice to school leavers, people who are looking to start higher education, how you can teach yourself to become a web designer, and then also we'll sort of summarise with what's expected of a web designer. If you're a recent school leaver, one of the main questions you'll be asking yourself is whether to do the A-level route or whether to take a college course.
A-levels are a more traditional route to higher education, and from personal experience they give you a broader set of skills with kind of technical ability within each subject. It also means when you go to university it leaves you open for a variety of different courses.
College courses, however, can be a lot more creative. If, for example, you're doing something like graphic design, this will give you a very good portfolio for university, and something like a BTEC National Diploma is the equivalent of 2 A-levels. If you're looking to start your higher education and you've come from the college course route, you may be interested in doing a HND, a Higher National Diploma. These are essentially very creative courses. They usually last about 2 years and can also give you access to the second year of a degree.
Or if you decide to go straight into a degree, it's a more traditional recognised qualification. One thing to bear in mind is that if you come from the A-level route, some creative courses ask you to complete a foundation year before they'll accept you.
What's also really important when applying for a HND or a degree is that during the interview process, your portfolio and how you come across as a person is taken into a lot more consideration than the grades or qualifications that you've got.
We kind of find from the experience of the web designers here at Career that most people come from 3 different sorts of degrees: a computer science degree, a multimedia, or a graphic design degree. Computer science sets you up well for being a developer or a programmer. Multimedia is a course that I did. That gives you a broad range of skills from design to development. And graphic design is a more creative degree altogether.
That's the degree that I did, and essentially it sort of shows you, essentially how to be very creative, but it also has lots of modules on things like publishing as well as web design. Also, if you're interested in doing a master's, the University of Greenwich does a master's in web design. If you're looking to train yourself in web design, whether you're looking to fit it in around something you're already doing or even if it's just as a hobby, there are a wealth of avenues and resources available to you.
Most colleges and universities do part-time or evening classes in web design in which you end up with a certificate or qualification.
There's also a wealth of knowledge on the internet. You can do online courses, you can purchase CD-ROMs, and also even if you buy software like Creative Suite, they do come with training videos and applications to show you how to use the software.
As well as internet resources, most designers here at Career use books and magazines. The Web Designer magazine and .NET magazine are very helpful to further your web design knowledge.
Finally, we just want to conclude by talking about what's expected of a web designer. Most web designers are expected to know HTML, CSS, and also just generally know the standards and how you build a website. Web designers should also be able to design a great looking but also professional looking website. Now, what you want to bear in mind if you're doing a very creative course, to become a web designer through college and university, is you want to try and teach yourself in the background the coding and construction. Whereas if at university you're looking at computer science and multimedia, then you want to regularly practice your design skills.
Social skills for liaising with clients is very important, as well as being computer literate. One thing that we think is very important in the world of web design is to enjoy your job, and we enjoy coming here each day and working with the internet and designing websites.
So we hope this week's video blog's been helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them on our blog or on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.